My skin is flawlessly clear and seamless glass. I have a radiant, luminous complexion that glows instantly. My skin is healthy, reflecting beautifully. I achieve the poreless, effortlessly. My complexion is bright, even, and free from wrinkles. I have a perfect fat, plump, and beautiful skin every day. My skin is clear and transparent as pure glass. I radiate healthy,